Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our very important topic that we are talking about the laminated MDF sheet cupboard which we made and designed are very well planned and organized for a lot of things that you can store a lot of things and you can lock a very important uh, things, wallet or other very important things. Okay, so first I will tell you about this material. So this is ZRK laminated MDF sheet 17 mm thick. A lot of color availability is here in Pakistan or other countries. You can choice and you can select according to your desired ideas. So let me tell about the cupboard width. The width of the cupboard is 36 inch, mean 3 feet, and the height is 7 feet 4 inch and 4 inch for back of the skirting to make up from the floor level. So I will tell you about the inside. I will go you to how to plan, organize and design the cupboard. So this is the first step that we organize this for the dress or shirts, yeah, or other anything that you can hang it. This is for this is pipe for hanging up dress. A lot of dresses you are hang here. Okay, just think about this. This is a kitchenette hinges that you can utilize, and this will, when you close it, this will go automatically to their original place and it will sit down. Okay, so this is only for the dress area. The height of this thing is this space is 52 inch height and 24 inch width. So this is standard height. No issues on this height. You can create in this type cupboard. And the right side, I go you on. First I lock this. Look at the hardware. This is a first class hardware of Pakistan. You can install here, import it or whatever. Okay, so I like this one. Now I open the right side. We designed there are three spans here, first, second, third. You can store here a lot of things that you come here in, especially this is created for the hospital or private room. So you can fix here blankets or whatever that you like, so you can store here. And there is also isolated lock and kitchen hinges. When you close it, so this will back to their original place. It's closed now. At the bottom of this three spans, you can see a locker. This is lock. Okay, this is a locker. You can save your important things here, wallet, money or wristwatch or mobiles or other things. And this is the hardware. This is very brilliant quality of hardware here that we use here in Pakistan, not imported. Okay, the quality of these things, there we have a number on keys that you can find out easily, the lock number and the key number. Rest of the two panels, I'll show you that what we have planned here. So there are, you can open here, you can store here a big size thing that not easy and the three span, so you can store here in the bottom. And this is a white space, height is 2 feet and width is 2 feet. And here is also isolated lock. You can save your important things here, you can lock it. This is a very light, simple, smart handle, you can see. And this is the right side. Look at to the right side, we have two spans here also for the storage of materials or whatever that you have bring to here or where you use it cupboard. So this is the full laminated MDF sheet cupboard. You can see here. And if you want to make here in Pakistan or Peshawar, so you can contact us on the following number. We have here these two are change, this one hardware or change and this one are other. And this is the PVC edging, you can see. This is called PVC edging. PVC edging is better than, you can see here, this is PVC edging and this is polish. PVC edging is better than polish, but due to short time we haven't provided this, so we a simple polish here. You can see a polish. The important thing is the depth of the cupboard. So this is the depth of the cupboard. The depth of the cupboard is very less, not much. You can see 18-inch depth of the cupboard. This is 18-inch. Hopefully you understand very well. If any question or query, you can comment me or you can text direct on my WhatsApp number. So take care of yourself. Goodbye.